Hello, my YouTube family. This is Dr. Fatima Siddiqui, MBBS MD. So, today's topic is ACS, that is acute coronary syndrome or myocardial infarction. So, India is becoming the capital of heart diseases, and the cases of heart attack in young people is increasing day by day. So, I thought to make a video on this topic. So, what is this ACS or acute coronary syndrome? So, this heart is a pumping organ, a muscular pumping organ, and it supplies the blood to the rest of the body, and this blood contain oxygen and nutrients. So the main function of the heart is to pump the blood throughout the body so that the nutritional needs of the body are met. And so heart itself needs energy to work. So heart is supplied by coronary arteries. So blood supply to the heart is by coronary arteries, and these coronary arteries, they arise from, they are smaller arteries, and they arise from the aorta. Aorta is the biggest artery in the body. So this coronary arteries, they supply the heart. So that heart is supplied by oxygen, required oxygen and required nutrients. So whenever there is blockage in these arteries, so blood supply to the heart is reduced or stopped. So whenever there is stoppage of blood supply to the heart muscles, so there will be death of that part of the heart. This is called myocardial infarction. Death of a particular muscle of the heart is called myocardial infarction. And the most common cause of this is blockage of coronary arteries by cholesterol, that is atherosclerosis. This is called atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is deposition of fatty plaques and cholesterol in the coronary arteries, and because of this there will be blockage of coronary arteries and blood supply to the heart muscle will be reduced, and this will cause pain. This is called pain in the chest, tightening in the chest, and this is called angina. What is angina? It is pain in the chest and tightening sensation in the chest, and this pain may be radiating to the upper abdomen, and that is neck, shoulders, arms, jaw and neck. So this mainly there is pain, sudden pain in the chest and burning sensation in the chest, and these are the symptoms of myocardial infarction, and these are the acute coronary syndrome. So this is heart attack in most common language. So the patient will experience severe pain in the chest. So atherosclerosis, this is the deposition of cholesterol, is the most common cause. Apart from this, there will be spasm. In some cases, there may be spasm of the coronary arteries. So what is the cause of this spasm in the coronary arteries? There is tightening of the coronary arteries due to smoking, that is cigarette smoking is a cause, drugs is a cause, and cold weather or extreme stress, extreme tension, stress, mental burden, they may trigger this spasm of the coronary arteries and heart attack. So atherosclerosis, and this is spasm of the coronary arteries. In atherosclerosis, there will be a formation of a plug of the fatty tissue, fatty material, fatty plug will be there, cholesterol deposition will be there in the coronary arteries of the heart, and whenever this plug it ruptures, there will be clotting of the blood, and this will formation of the plug will be there, and this clotting will block the blood flow through the coronary arteries. So what is the treatment here? There are so many treatments. That is, first thing, oxygen supply, so that the oxygen requirement of the body and heart should be met. Then there is surgical interventions are there, that is CABG, that is coronary artery bypass grafting, and then there will be antiplatelet drugs are there, they will reduce the formation of clot. So these are the, so how to prevent this? First thing, we have to control the blood pressure, we have to control the consumption of cholesterol. The fat should be less in the food. So to prevent the heart attack, we should consume less fats in the food. And if you are eating the mutton or meat, before consuming the meat, just remove the yellow part of that, yellow and fatty part of this meat. Just remove it before cooking the meat, because that yellow part in the meat is 100% fats. So before cooking the meat or mutton, just remove that yellow fatty part of that mutton pieces.